How to install VirtualBox on Linux Mint. In this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can install VirtualBox on Linux Mint.
So to get started, open your terminal. Start by updating the package list using the command sudo apt update. Next, install VirtualBox by typing sudo apt install VirtualBox. If you want the latest version, visit the official VirtualBox website and go to the download section and select the Debian-based installer for Ubuntu. It works with Linux Mint. Download the .deb file, then install it using sudo dpkg-i virtualbox.deb. If you get dependency errors, fix them with sudo apt fix broken install. Once installed, open VirtualBox from your application menu. You can now create a new virtual machines, install different operating systems, and allocate memory, storage, and CPU settings as needed. And that's how to install VirtualBox on Linux Mint step by step.